The son of dancehall recording star Mavado set for January 2021 a court date where he will be answering to a murder charge. Hi again and welcome. This is Links W7 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links W7 TV. Let's talk. So the son of the dancehall recording star Mavado is still behind bars after being arrested and charged as it relates to a murder case that the police were investigating. And this took place from in 2018, and he has been in the police custody at a juvenile facility from then up until now. So he'll be tried as an adult, I'm told, and this court date is set for January 2021 next year. As you know, this has sparked a number of public outcry based on the fact that he has not been granted any bail, and the dancehall entertainer himself, who is a local and international celebrity and superstar, is just in the background and just waiting on the developments to come out of this, as he was being wanted by the police, as well as he was requested to turn himself into the police at one point in time, and he did not do so. Well, you could not even doubt Mavado at that point in time based on how the police were hot on his trail, and he fled the island and has not returned since. But Mavado, I can say, is a very talented recording artist, and what transpired leading up to the demise of this individual in question is very unfortunate at this current moment. So the police have held on to his son for a while now, and he is the main suspect in the taking out of that individual. So we're going to bring you up to date with the latest that we have to bring to you as it relates to this case and what's to come for January 21 as it relates to his court date and his court appearance pending. So the defense team for Dante Brooks, and that's the son of the dancehall recording star Mavado, the teenage son of the DJ, has opted to have a trial by a judge alone as opposed to judge and jury. Brooks' trial is set for the 7th of January 2021 and needs to answer to a murder charge. Brooks, who is now 18 years old, will be tried as an adult. The teenager has been in detention since 2018. He has been spending time at a juvenile detention facility in Kingston, having his bail application being denied a number of times. So he'll be tried as an adult. However, he still remains in the custody of a juvenile detention facility in the corporate area, and he'll be tried as an adult. So the lawyer have opted not to use the judge and jury in this case, but to just let the judge make his decision as it relates to whether he is guilty or not. It's been a long time I've not heard of a case that doesn't have a jury. However, we just have to just wait and see how this one goes, whether or not the judge will grant him any form of repatriation to society, whether he'll be granted bail or he will still be hosted at that juvenile facility, or whether or not he will be transferred to a maximum security facility based on the fact that he's now 18 years old and he can now be tried as an adult. But as it stands right now, we're just hoping for the best to come from this, and it's really sad to see that he got himself involved in such a situation at such a tender age. But what can we say? What is done, and it's very unfortunate to see how our young males are going down the path of crime and violence and criminality. But he is innocent until proven guilty. That's what we're putting out there now. So he's innocent until proven guilty. So not until the judge state that he is guilty. We are not here to judge him, or we're not here to say anything negative about what went down, because we were on the spot. We don't know what transpired. Maybe he tried to save his own life as well during the whole entire situation. So I'll keep you up to date with this one, though. I'm out for now. Peace out. Bless.